Hi, it's been a while. My name is Victor and I am the guy behind Badass Diesel Club. I want to present you something new today. But first, I'm not a YouTuber and sitting in front of a camera like this, not really my comfort zone. You can see that I don't have a background and fancy RGB LED light, but I want to speak to you directly. Over the past months, I've been working on something new. A website, and it's called badassdiesels.club. It's a place to buy and sell diesel trucks, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, all the trucks, the real stuff. The site is 100% free. You can post your truck or find your next one. I built it on my own. No team, no budget, just me. So, why use this site? Because it's made for truck people. You can show what mods your truck has, lift kits, wheels, engine work, all of it. And if you are looking to buy, you can search by these mods too. The site is still new, still growing, and I want your feedback. If something is missing, tell me. If you have any ideas, send them. I read every messages. You can find a contact form on the website. The site is live now, but it's missing one thing, your truck. So go ahead, post your listing, and I will do everything I can to get it in front of the right people. Thank you for watching. More updates coming soon. Go check badassdiesels.club. Have a nice day. See you soon, and bye bye.